Welcome, I'm from the XIAOMI Mi 9 Lite, and today I will show you how to bypass the Google verification screen on this device. So, let me quickly progress through the setup so you can see that the device is locked. I actually didn't connect to Wi-Fi apparently. Oh, there we go. Let me quickly put in the password for it. Okay, so now we're connected. So there we see, there's the verification, so I can do it either using the code that was previously set or using the Google account. So there we go. Now to get started with the bypass, it's a fairly simple one. We're just gonna go back to Wi-Fi and disconnect from it, wherever that is. There we go. So I'm gonna go to the Wi-Fi, forget network, okay, skip. Let's go to next, skip this step. And from here we're gonna set a only screen lock. I'm gonna go with the pattern. As you previously seen, there was a pin. So I'm gonna go with the pattern. Wait, actually not now, there's a pattern. I wanna choose something that is different. And from here, simply draw the pattern that you want to use. And redraw the same pattern once more. Let's go further. And now again, we're gonna go back and reconnect to network. And again, I'm gonna put in the password for it. There we go. And again, we're gonna progress through this once more. And this time around, you will see that instead of a pin as a verification, there should be a pattern. There we go. So draw your pattern. The device was factory reset. You can unlock it using the password. Cool. So it completely changed and overrides the previous one, and basically disregards the old one. And from here, the device is basically unlocked. Now just to be safe and remove any kind of traces of previous account, you could still go to settings and perform a additional reset of the device. This will basically wipe everything as long as you do it through settings. So the factory reset through like recovery mode still keeps data, while the one through settings removes everything. I'm just gonna simply show you where you can find it if you want to do that as well. So from here, let's go into the settings, and you can find it under additional settings, I believe. Or not, let's see, where is it? I just searched for it. About phone apparently. So about phone, backup reset, and where is it? Erase all data factory reset. And then just tap on the bottom, erase all data, and this will basically erase everything, including the previous account that might still be on the device. And after the process is finished, you would go again through the setup process, but this time around you wouldn't need to do any kind of like tricking the device. It's just gonna be a simple setup process. And yeah, so if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.